Very exciting news. 2021.40. What does it mean to us all? What's coming and how will it affect us? And we're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help. Watch right now for Mal's Tesla update.
So we're all going to get the new update, 2021.40. And what it means is it's a twofold thing. First, you have to get app 4.2 from either the App Store or the Play Store, have it onto your system. And then there is some hidden features that they're working on. We are going to get Sentry mode in, wait for it, your mobile phone. Wow. So let's have a look at the app and see first what they've added to that. As you see, for the improvements, what's new? Improvements to the larger iOS widget to include quick controls. If you remember from the previous one, on the small icon, you couldn't have them, but now you can have the quick controls. And unlock and lock the doors. You can turn on and off the air conditioning. You can sort out your charging, and you can unlock the frunk, which is brilliant because you can do all that now from the big widget on your iOS, which is great. There's going to be the solar and Powerwall support for Tesla maintained utility rate plans. Utility rate plans now support seasons, multiple peak periods, and buy and sell energy prices. Powerwall time-based control mode supports the update rate plans to more accurately use energy from the Powerwall when power is expensive and charged from other sources when power is at its cheapest. This is what it's going to look like on the phone. You're going to see all the 4 screens. You're going to be able to go into it, and you're even going to be able to, with the speaker connected, you're going to be able to say, "Oi, get away from me car." But they're not sure yet where it's going to end up on your phone saving or actually going to be on the car itself. You must make sure for this to work remotely, all the doors are locked. On the app itself, there's going to be a space, it looks like, for overlay, so that in that white space you're going to be able to overlay the different cameras. All possible with 2021.40 that will be coming shortly. And you'll have a view of the front screen, the back screen and side. You'll be able to lock in to look at those. And thanks to Tesla Scope, they've dived into the source codes and you can see all that information that's going to allow you to see what's going on. There's going to be daily limits, so drivers will be able to turn on and off the streaming, but in order for this to work, no one must be in the car. So exciting! I, for one, can't wait to get it in my hands, a full working one, so I get to show you how every detail works. And don't forget, if you subscribe to the channel, you will be, and hit that notification bell, you will be one of the first to get it, so that's worth doing. This is where I need you to help me, hopefully. If you can subscribe and I can get to 1,000 subscribers, that's the trick-off point, by Christmas, there will be a few giveaway prizes for Model X, S, Y and 3. If with your help that could happen, thank you very much for that. So whatever you're doing on the rest of the day, please enjoy, and I shall look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, I'll be seeing ya.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Oops.